Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can accept a temu invitation and how you can actually send one. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can accept a temu invitation. So over here I have got a temu invitation over here. Once you click on the link, it's going to it's going to click you to get you all the way to Temu. Now from Temu you're going to actually you're going to, since this is my own link, it's not, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but basically when you send a link to others, they're going to start and flip, and one of these cards is going to flip off, and then you can pick one of these cards. Okay, basically get 50 diamonds, 40 diamonds, or 30 diamonds, whatever, and these diamonds get transferred to that friend that you invited him through the link, and it's going to get to you. So how you know that you've accepted the Temu invitation is that by seeing the diamonds, if they have increased, that means the Temu invitation got accepted. Or once you open your own link, you're going to find yourself getting to you, that telling you that someone accepted the link. Now, how you can send a link is pretty easy. Okay, so yes, as you can see, just like this. Okay, that means someone accepted your link. So how you can actually send a Temu invitation, basically once you're in Temu, you're going to click all the way onto you on the bottom, on the center, on the bottom corner. Then you're going to click on earn credits and free gifts. Once you click on earn credits and free gifts, as you can see, you can use any of these things just so you can use. Let's say I'm going to pick the first one, and I'm going to click on get now. Okay, and once it loads, you can click, and once it loads, okay, you can after what you do, like the spinning and stuff, you can click on pick it. Okay, let's say I want to pick this. Okay, once you pick it, you can pick the gift. Okay, once you pick the gift, now we have to do the gift, of course, and then send it to other people, of course. Okay. Now I'm going to pick two gifts. Okay, I got those two gifts. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I'm in the flipping card. Okay, once let's say I'm going to click on flip. Let me just flip one of these cards. I'm going to flip the one in the middle. And as you can see, after I flip the card, I can over here now invite a friend to cut $6. Once I click on it, I can now copy link or send it through Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, X, whatever you want to use. So this is basically how you know you accepted an Temu invite, actually, and also how you can send a Temu invite. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.